Hey guys, welcome back to Hooking is a Lifestyle. Debbie here. Today I am going to be showing you guys how I created this wraparound scarf. I used a simple stitch with some bulky yarn and just worked this up in a matter of a couple of days. You can work this up in a day if you are a fast crocheter, and it's perfect for this time of year. Just wrap it around your neck twice and you're feeling warm right away. I'm gonna show you exactly what I used, which was this yarn here, which is called Loops and Thread Charisma. This is a 5 bulky yarn, number 5, and I used 2 skeins of it to create that one, exactly 2 skeins. And I think the length of it, if I'm not mistaken, was 62 inches long, 60 to 62 inches, I believe, in length, unfolded, unsewn here. It was 62, so folded like this is about 30 to 31 inches. So it fits around your neck perfectly. So like I said, we're going to be using the bulky 5 Loose and Thread Charisma, and then the hook size that I use is a P, which is an 11.5 hook. But you can use whatever hook you want. You can use a bigger hook or you can use a smaller hook. It depends, because all we're going to be doing is making one long strip. So, and it could be whatever size you wish. So to begin, I'm going to be using a very simple stitch, which is called the herringbone double crochet. I'm going to show you how to do that, and I'm going to chain up. I'm gonna say about, I did 17 on that one. So it doesn't matter how many you chain up, just do 2 after the amount of chain you want. But if you want it to be this type of width right here, which is, let me see, I'll tell you right now, it's about 8 inches from here to here, you will chain up a 17. So 15 plus 2 is what I did with that one. So we do a slip knot and insert our yarn on our hook, and we're gonna chain up 17 like I said. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to begin, we're gonna start like we would a double crochet. So we wrap around our yarn, and then we're going to start our first stitch into the 3rd space from the hook. So the 3rd, 1, 2, and 3, and I'm switching around like this so I can work in the back bump of my work. So right into here, I'm gonna yarn over, pull through that first loop, and then I'm gonna pull again through that 2nd, yarn over, pull through the 1st, yarn over, pull through both loops, and that is how you create a herringbone double crochet. I'll show you again. Yarn over, insert your hook into that next space, yarn over, pull through that first loop and the 2nd, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. That's our 2nd herringbone double crochet. Moving on, yarn over, insert your hook into that next space, yarn over, pull through that 1st and the 2nd, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook into the next space, yarn over, pull through that 1st and through the 2nd loops, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So do this all the way down to the to the last space. All right, I worked my last herringbone double crochet. And now from row 2 and on until we run out of yarn, all we're going to do is chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to turn our work. We're going to do the same exact thing into the next space, not this first space where we chained up 3. The chain 3 counts as our first double crochet of the row. So we go into the second space here. Should bring this closer. Right there. So we skip that first space and we move on to the second space right here. We insert our yarn over, pull through again, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, and pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next space, yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2. And that's basically it. You just continue to do this until you run out of yarn. And don't forget that you need to do the last herringbone double crochet in that last space, because remember we started with a chain 3. This is why we made 17 chains, so we can have our first double crochet. And I'll just show you that now. This works up quickly once you get used to the fact that you have to pull through those 2 first loops and then complete your double crochet. The workup is fast, and this is a great pattern and a great gift to give to someone this time of year. Christmas is nearly here, and if you are running out of ideas and you need a last minute gift, this is perfect because it works up so quickly. I'm almost there to my chain 3. So here I'm gonna find the top of my chain 3 and I'm gonna insert my hook there and create my last herringbone double crochet. Let me just show you the work. As you can see, the work looks a little slanted, and that's what the herringbone stitch does. Let me just turn it around this way so you can see. So we're going to continue to work this up, like I said, until we run out of yarn. 1, 2, 3. Turn your work and start over. Really, really simple but beautiful. And this color yarn is like everything right now. Perfect for this holiday season. See you when I'm all out of yarn. Alright, so I finished my scarf. It's folded in half. I'll just show you. It's pretty long and it measures about 62 inches like the black one. And what we gotta do, I have this much yarn left after using 2 skeins, so that's enough to close it up. So we're gonna find where we left off. We're gonna insert our hook back in there. We're gonna put our ends together, and it doesn't matter which side because they both look the same. So we're gonna chain up 1, and we're gonna take our 2 ends, like I said, and then we're gonna insert our hook back into the back loop, not both. We usually go through both, but not this time. We're gonna go just into the back loop, so back here of both sides. So find the back loop of this side, which will be right here, like so, and leave that to the side, but work a slip knot, a slip stitch, excuse me, through both. And that's how you're going to close it up. That's it. You can do it however you wish. You can go through both. You can sew it together with a needle, right? Or you can just do it the way I'm doing it right now. going through both back loops. Alright, so here I am towards the end. This is the chain 3. So we're going to go through the top chain of that chain 3 to do our last slip on. So on both sides, just find the top of the chain and slip stitch there. We're going to chain 1, and then we're going to cut our yarn. So long enough so we can weave it in, and we have this much left after. Okay, so there goes our work sewn in, and now all you have left is to hide all those ends that we were left with. I pull out my measuring tape so you can see how long it is, which I think I already said how long it was, but 31 folded. So it's 31 inches folded, so that means 31 times 2 is 62. So it's 62 inches, and it wraps around twice. So what I'll do is I'll insert some pictures. There will be some pictures also on the website with the pattern for this wraparound scarf, and you can see how it looks on my kid. This was made for her. So there you go, guys. That is it for this tutorial, and I will catch you in the next one. So please don't forget to hit that like button. It really does help, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the bell so you can be notified when I do upload again, which will be very soon. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.